Hello everybody, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor here at the 2024 IADC SPD Managed Pressure Drilling and Underbalanced Operations Conference in Rio de Janeiro. And with me right now is probably one of the bigger names here at this conference as the chairman of the IADC UBO MPD committee, Andre Fernandes. We're going to be talking a little bit about some of the stuff that the committee has been doing over the past year and stuff that we could be looking for out of the committee coming soon. So, Andre, thank you for joining me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
So let's start with the riser gas handling guidelines. Now that came out last year. You guys, it sounds like it's a bit of a work in progress. You guys are continually sort of pushing the discussion on that. Can you tell us a little bit more about those guidelines, what you guys are looking to do right now?
The guidelines were, as you said, were published recently. And the idea is not only to have the document out, but to further develop this document and get feedback from the industry and also from academy to be sure that we can actually implement that. Because it's not something easy that you can just two guys sit together in one afternoon decide it, but it's a discussion that went through the committee for over a decade in order to publish something that is readable and can be digested not only by experts but also by all people from the industry that can use this kind of equipment. So that's the idea.
Well, and it seems like there was a lot of lively discussion over these this guideline and sort of the concepts behind it.
There is something. Whenever you dig into something new, you talk new technologies. You have to remove some preconcepts and barriers. Get a white piece of paper and just start writing, and you have to be an open-minded. So it's not something easy, and to get something capable. So we do not want to have a PhD on the field in order to be able to read that, but we want everybody on the field to be able to at least, okay, we can construct a procedure based on these and have a safer operation, have safer situation with that.
So the committee's also been involved with some API documents. There's one revision and one creation that you guys are working on. We'll start with the revision, API 92M and S. Let's talk a little bit about that. What are you guys doing there?
Okay, those documents were created last decade, and although they were validated after the inclusion of the influx circulation annex, the committee felt that, okay, we need to get the feedback from the industry and the lessons learned after the creation and the utilization of those documents in order to process them. At the moment, the MPD subcommittee is working on API 92M, and after we finished API 92M, we're going to go for the revision of API 92S.
So let's also then talk about the creation of API 79-2 and -3. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, those documents are regarding tripping operations. That 79-2 is regarding with tripping operations subsea surface BOP, and 79-3 is for subsea BOP. Both documents are new to the industry, so they are creating, and we are talking about how to implement, how to properly plan tripping operation using MPD surface back pressure.
Okay, well, Andre, thank you so much for letting us know about all that's going on with the committee. Very fascinating stuff. It has been a lively conference, and we're looking forward to seeing more from the committee. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Always kind to talk to you.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.